I'm Murray Newlands from Open Future Forum. This is an executive briefing on my takeaways from our recent CMO dinner. One of the things that's become really clear to me is how ingrained AI is in the workflows, outputs, and expectations from executive leadership for their marketing teams. Marketing teams are now expected to do more with less. They are expected to have AI agents who are delivering on behalf of the teams. The CMO is expected to not just be asking their teams to be using AI, but to also be asking themselves, how can they create whole teams of AI agents to deliver marketing functions, whether it's to enhance their teams or whether it's to replace parts of the outsourcing they're doing, or whether it's, if they're looking at new initiatives, how are they using AI to deliver that whole initiative, not just one small aspect of it. Even to the extent of how are they using it within their internal systems. An example of this is if you want to have better information, better dashboards about your activities, how can you, rather than signing up to lots of vendors for different dashboards, how can you use AI internally to build your own dashboard? How does this report up to the executive level? How does this AI experience as an AI executive, CMO, how are you using AI to deliver this? Several of the executives, several of the CMOs I was speaking to were saying that part of their job function has been to learn how to use Claude Code, for example, to build their own dashboards, to really optimize the experience for their own company so that they understand better what's happening with the data across their marketing campaigns. They can communicate this internally and externally. They can use this for reporting up to the C-level. And they can use this to enhance and make better decisions. This is something that the people in AI leadership within the CMO community were focusing on and very happy to share their experience and how to move forward with this. It was very apparent to everyone in the room that this would be the way for moving forward. So the briefing takeaway from that meal is, how do you, as a CMO, become an AI-native CMO? And that's the expectation that is now being set. So you're not just using AI for creating ads, you're using AI you're an AI-first CMO. And I think across the executive field, that's going to be the expectation moving forward. Also, AI is being used to transform how people are doing targeting, how people are doing content marketing, how people are doing outreach. That, though, seems to be just the very start at this point. Really, at this point, you really need to be an AI-first CMO. I'm Murray Newlands. This is an executive briefing from Open Future Forum. We build executive communities in the Bay Area, and this was the first meeting of the CMO community. We had CMOs from startups who had raised a few million up to CMOs of recognized household brands. What was amazing was that even the larger brands, which you might think were slower, were some of the faster adopters of AI. And those executives were leaning into it more heavily than you might expect, including some of those executives from the larger companies were the ones building out their own dashboards themselves personally, not handing it off to a team. They wanted to be the innovators. And looking back at it and reflecting on it, maybe that's why they were so successful within their careers, because they were willing to take on those elements. So changing how we think about engaging with communities and how we think about developing products. I'm Murray Newlands, founder of Open Future Forum. I'll see you next time.